Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef jerky at home. First, select a lean cut of beef, such as top round or flank steak, ensuring it's fresh and high quality. Next, meticulously trim away all visible fat from the meat. This is crucial for proper drying and to prevent spoilage. Then, partially freeze the beef for about 30 minutes to make it easier to slice. Finally, cut the meat against the grain into uniform strips, ideally between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch thick. Now let's create a delicious marinade. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. For an extra kick, consider adding red pepper flakes or a dash of liquid smoke. A tablespoon of brown sugar can balance the flavors beautifully. Submerge your beef strips completely in this mixture, ensuring every piece is coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for a minimum of 6 hours or up to 24 hours, allowing the flavors to fully penetrate the meat. After marinating, it's time to dry your jerky. Pat the strips dry with paper towels to remove excess marinade, which helps with even drying. Arrange them in a single layer on dehydrator trays or oven racks, ensuring no pieces are overlapping. Set your dehydrator or oven to a low temperature, around 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. The drying process typically takes 4 to 8 hours. Check periodically. The jerky should be firm, pliable, and bend without snapping. Once your jerky is perfectly dried, let it cool completely to room temperature before storing. This prevents condensation and helps maintain its quality. Store your homemade jerky in an airtight container or a resealable bag. It will stay fresh at room temperature for 1 to 2 months, or even longer in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious homemade beef jerky. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.